If you drive by Canton-Potsdam Hospital, you'll see a new sign reading Rochester Regional Health. 7 News reporter Thomas Caffarella tells us while the sign is new, the affiliation is not.
Canton-Potsdam Hospital is adding 108,000 square feet of new space in Potsdam, giving the regional care facility a bigger emergency department and more patient beds. Parts of the interior look nearly finished. Others are a work in progress. Exterior signs were installed earlier this month, including emergency signs, the hospital's name, and Rochester Regional Health.
Beyond the bricks and mortar that you see in this project, it's really the integration of care and developing care locally for our region in partnership with Rochester Regional.
St. Lawrence Health owns Canton-Potsdam Hospital and other facilities in the North Country. In 2021, it became affiliated with Rochester Regional Health. Leaders say that the partnership has made these upgrades possible.
The affiliation really afforded us the ability to build the regional care pavilion.
The goal of the sign is to promote cooperation between the two healthcare systems. This is the first time that a St. Lawrence Health facility has included Rochester Regional Health on a building. Village leaders believe that the cooperation between the two systems benefit the communities they serve.
It's allowing for this major investment. It helps them to be able to attract top providers, and it also provides improved services on the patient end.
McGregor says there are plans to rebrand other St. Lawrence Health facilities in the future, but didn't get into the specifics of which ones. St. Lawrence Health also operates hospitals in Messina and Gouverneur. The regional health facility in Potsdam is expected to be completed this fall. Thomas Caffarella, 7 News.